your jack pretty sensitive? Do I have to be careful turning it? I don't want it to drop real fast.
Yeah, put some muscle but really, yeah.
Be gentle.
It can be sensitive, yes.
Alright, that's scary. Alright, will you watch it going down, Alex?
Yeah, I'm gonna see how this wood is reacting. Go ahead.
Because first you have to get past the locking, and then it's gonna start to go down.
Oh, there it is. It caught it. It's good.
Is it?
Yep, it's on the wood.
Keep going.
It's chilling like.
Is it in the center?
Yeah, it's like pretty perfect.
There you go.
I mean, it does look pretty perfect.
You guys got it, see? Woo. I never doubted you. For the first time in the history of the channel, I'm not working on anything myself. No, I'm actually being a supervisor. I'm in a supervisor position here because we have Andrew's beautiful F80 M3 gracing the channel today and gracing the garage. He's got a few things he's doing. Consider this a random act of kindness, if you will. But we have brakes going. What about actually here? What are we doing today with this?
We're going to start with brake pads and rotors. Those are most important. I'm getting a terrible squeaking noise coming up to stops, and it's embarrassing driving an F80 and squeaking at stoplights.
Absolutely.
If we finish that with enough time to spare, I have downpipes, I have carbon fiber side skirts, I have carbon fiber rear diffusers, I have spacers that I'm going to put on, and I have new exhaust tips. So
I didn't know of any of that when I agreed to this, but we're gonna go ahead and go for it.
I kind of sprung a couple of those on.
Yeah. It's like just one little thing. The front driver brake is done. Andrew got it all done, and from what I saw, because I've never done it myself, but just from looking at it, it seems pretty straightforward, which is incredible because an M car and usually BMWs as a whole are going to be a lot more complex to work on. But I was pleasantly surprised to see that nothing was out of this world or needed special tools really. Maybe just to compress the pistons, but if you know a different way to do that, you can always figure it out. So that's really cool. It's really cool to know that at least in the F80, F82, they still make it mechanic friendly to an extent. Pretty easy to work on. He's now on to the rear brake there. Unfortunately, with my garage, you have to do one side at a time, so he's gonna have to flip the car around to get the other two sides done on the passenger there. But yeah, this is the old brake that he pulled out. These are massive, by the way, and really, really heavy. These M brakes, you can feel a lip on the rotor here, so definitely it was time to change it out, which he did. And for the first time, even though I'm not doing anything myself, I'm just looking, I still somehow managed to get dirty because, I'm kind of helping out here and there, not really, just with advice. But no, I love this car. It's a really, really cool machine. I think Andrew got tired of doing the brakes, so he just jumped onto the diffuser here. Well, actually, he was having trouble with a bolt. He may or may not have been using the ratchet the opposite way that it's meant to be used. But if that's the case, we already hit it with some PV Blaster just to be safe. But yeah, he's doing a diffuser here. What kind of diffuser are you doing, man?
It's a 3D style diffuser. I'll pull it out and show you guys in just a second.
Alright, carbon fiber, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna look really, really nice. I've always said this. Any white car, any Alpine car on BMW's color scheme, Alpine white car with carbon fiber bits. Oh, I love that I used to have a friend that had an E30 with carbon fiber bits, and it just looks the part. It is so clean, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. He also just replaced these tips right here, which are the old stock tips, I believe, with some nice shiny chrome. Are these chrome, Andrew, or are these?
Yep, they're chrome.
They're chrome. Okay. Chrome tips, which definitely looks fantastic on that car now. And with the addition of the carbon fiber splitter, which is drilling the holes for down there, that is going to look proper and sound apart.